Hello, good morning everyone. Today we'll discuss about while, when and das and where we use them and how we use them in German language. Let's start. Today comes while, when, das and where we use them. Let's see. These all are the subordinating conjunctions. While means because, while, because, when it is used as if and when as in English, das, that, while, because, when, if and when, das, that. Normally we follow the subject, verb, object format in German language while making a sentence. But when we has these conjunction while, when, das, the subject formation will be subject, object at the verb at the end. Basically these conjunction hit the verb at the end, send the verb at the end. Yeah, this is kick the verb at the end. You can say that. The shoe shows that kick the verb at the end. Now we'll see some of the example with the sentence like while and how we make them. Ich bin böse, weil meine Kamera kaputt ist. In this sentence, subject, verb or adjective and the object whatever is, while meine Kamera kaputt ist. This is the verb at the end because this sentence has while meine Kamera kaputt ist. Let's see the next one. Ich will Rahul nicht heiraten, weil pausenlos raucht. While conjunction is there, so rauchen is the verb. This is at the end. While pausenlos raucht. This is at the end verb. Ich nehme Aspirin, weil ich Kopfschmerzen habe. See, we had the while, subject, object. This is the verb at the end because these conjunctions send verb at the end. While can become first in the sentence, and how we make a sentence. While ich Kopfschmerzen habe, nehme ich Aspirin. While, beginning of the sentence, and the verb at the end, then comma, then in the second sentence, verb at the first. While these conjunctions come as verbs, now the verb, this is like a comma. If the conjunction come at the verb, then another verb. If these conjunction at the first place, while ich Kopfschmerzen habe, verb, comma, verb, ich Aspirin. Nehme ich Aspirin. Okay. Let's see some more example with the sentence when. When means, like we have already discussed, if, order, when. Wenn ich Zeit habe, besuche ich dich. When I have a time, I'll visit you. This is the when conjunction, verb at the end, and the second verb at the first. Same format, verb, comma, verb is the conjunction at the first place. Wenn ich arbeite, höre ich gern Musik. This sentence, verb at the end, verb, comma, verb. And if it's the second one, ich lese Zeitung. In here, verb is at same position because when is in second sentence. Wenn ich verstuke. Let's see. Wenn ich Zeit habe, lese ich gern Deutsch. Wenn is Zeit habe, lese is gern Deutsch. When conjunction verb at the end, then comma, then verb. Ich lese is gern Deutsch. Now we see some more sentence with das. Das means that. Ich glaube, dass dumm ist. Das conjunction, verb at the end. Ich glaube, dass dumm ist. Ich denke, dass super ist. Ich meine, dass schlecht ist. Now we can say all the conjunction is there, so verb goes at the end. Hope you understand today's class. If you have any concern, any doubt, you can write your comment below. Have a nice day. Thank you very much for watching this video. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel SWS School. Thank you.